So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it, and now this will come up. Once you're on this, under computer configuration, you want to expand admin templates, and now you want to expand system, and now you want to expand Windows components. Scroll down. I'm going to make this a bit bigger until we find Windows components. Expand this. Now you want to expand remote desktop services. Scroll down till we find remote desktop services. Expand this. Now you want to expand remote desktop session host. Now you want to click on connections. And now this will appear on the right side. Once you're on this, you want to find restrict remote desktop service users to a single remote desktop service session. Double click on it. You want to make this not configured, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in task kill space /f space /im space msrdc.exe, and then click on enter. Once you do all of that, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.